Most of your course content will be in a program called IMathAS. This video will show you how to use that program when you complete your assignments. We're going to start by looking at the math quill symbol, which allows you to enter math print and text when you are typing an answer. When you click on the box to type your answer, you'll see a yellow arrow. If you click on that, that gives you a math editor that allows you to type exponents, square roots, infinity symbols, and things like that. So for example, this practice assignment is asking you to practice putting in an exponent, and they want you to enter the expression x to the 8th power. So I'm going to click in the box and click on the yellow arrow, and I can use this to say x, click on this exponent button, and I can put my exponent there. Save, and then the preview shows you that you've typed the correct thing. Next, let's look at a homework assignment in IMathAS. So you have 3 attempts for each problem with each question. So what that means is that I have 3 chances to get the x. I have 3 chances to get the absolute value of x equals 16 correct. So I'm going to submit a blank answer. I just used up an attempt, but I have 2 more attempts to try to get the same problem correct. I'm going to submit a blank one again. I have 1 more attempt. It's my last attempt. And I'm going to submit a blank one again just to show you what would happen. So I don't have any more attempts. When the attempts run out, IMathAS will give you the answer, so you can then find out what the correct answer is. You don't get any credit for that problem, but you can try another similar question to give you the chance to try to earn your points and try again. Another option is that, let's say you want to go straight to the answer. So if you click on jump to answer, it will automatically give you the answer to the problem. It will not allow you to submit the answer because it just gave you the answer, but you can try another similar question to then try it again yourself and to try to earn your points. So even though you have 3 attempts per problem, you have an unlimited number of attempts to get a 100% on your homework assignments. Let's look at a quiz in IMathAS. So you have 2 attempts to answer each question correctly on a quiz. So let's see what that looks like. I have some questions here. Let me try to answer these top 2 questions correctly, and I'm going to leave the rest blank. So let's answer the first one correctly and the second one correctly. But I'm going to leave everything else blank so I can show you what it looks like. So I'm going to press submit. I'm going to say OK. And so now it tells me which ones I got right and which ones I got wrong. So I got 2 out of the 10 questions correct. I have a 20%, but I have some options. I have 2 attempts, so I can do reattempt assessment on questions that can be improved where allowed. If I choose that first one, what's going to happen is that it's going to hide the ones I got correct and then allow me to try my second attempt on the ones that I got wrong. So let's try it again. Let's try to answer this one correctly. Now, as you can see, I got that question right. I have 3 out of 10 right. But now, if I click reattempt assessment, I have reached all of my attempts for the ones that I got wrong. That was my last attempt. So even if I click reattempt assessment on questions where allowed, it's only going to show me the ones I already got right. So if I press submit, then you see I have no more attempts. This is my final score. And that's it. So just make sure that you choose the reattempt assessment where allowed to utilize your full 2 attempts.